7:59 a.m.
Hello guys, so today is day 2. I slept pretty early because I told you na I didn't want to be out too late. I was really missing Manasa because I don't know. And then I woke up around 8 or something. I got ready. I came to the beach. Actually, I would have had breakfast first because I'm really hungry. For dinner also I had chips. I was gonna have breakfast, but then I went and saw that there was a few people sitting because yesterday when I went it was empty. I wanted to be empty so I can read also. Yeah. Okay, now for the view. Are you ready? Sorry. Look at that. Yeah, it's really pretty. I look nice.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so remember I told you, just a quick update, remember I told you about this guy that I knew already and then we happened to be next to each other. It's like, I don't get it with guys. The ones you don't like, okay, उनके पास इतनी गट्स होती है कि वो तुम्हारा पीछा नहीं छोड़ते हैं and they keep nagging you to go out with them. And the ones you do like, but like okay. पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा होता है कि they are like in their zone, in their element. But ladies, listen to me if you're watching this. For me, it's like I don't mind at all making the first move. I have always done that with my relationships, with my whatever dates and everything. Somebody who I like, of course, right? I've realized that it determines the rest of the relationship, whatever kind of relationship you're gonna have, right? You know, guys say that oh, we like when girls make the first move. I am not doing. I don't know about you guys, but I have stopped doing that. If he likes you, he will approach and he will ask you out. If he doesn't, you just don't. हाथ जोड़ लिए मैंने. I am not. I am. And you're confused, ladies. If you're confused, he likes you or not, he doesn't. In this case, I don't know. I'm done with choosing. If you like me, come tell me. It's like that. I'm just not gonna do that because I have done that a lot and it didn't turn out well. Look, I'm not talking about just the rejection part. Rejection is okay. Like, I don't mind it. I mean, it feels bad. But then I still don't mind going for it. But guys take it in a wrong way that they shouldn't. Like, oh, she's, I don't know if you guys get it or not, but Mansa will get it. I should stop saying that. I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe I'll give you an update while I'm in Bangalore, like when I go back. Whatever. I just wanted to give you the a quick update. इतना लंबा update. Sad he left. It was nice. Even though we weren't talking, it was nice. There was somebody sitting there that I know that person.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
For me, I love Gokarna. It's like other than Kashmir is here. Apart from anyway, apart from Kashmir, this is the place I would come to. Like, I can stay here. I love this place. It's not that crowded. There's not too much happening. So if you're someone who likes, happening places, parties and shit, Goa is the place. I've gone to Goa twice and I didn't like it. First time though, I didn't like it because of the people I went with. It was horrible. That is another story for another day. Yeah, next time I went with my friend and it was still bad. The only part that was good was because I was with her. she was the one who was with me. कोई और होता, that trip was, for her it was good. She liked Goa. She loved Goa. I not so much. Goa is not for me. Gokarna, on the other hand, is my place. You know, I'm just gonna go for a swim. I'm gonna not a swim like in the water. I feel like going. Then I'll have breakfast.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, like I said, I was gonna go for a swim. I don't care how I look because I had fun. Yeah. See, look at that. You know that after water tired. Nice. I'm gonna change, shower, have breakfast.
1 winner later.
So I took a shower. I'm here to eat, and I didn't realize that 12 to 1 o'clock they close. And I'm hungry, really hungry. So about the guy I was talking to you guys about. Oh my god, I really hope he doesn't see this vlog because it will be bad. I act too much on my impulses. Too much. Does he like? Oh my god. Yeah, so I asked him. I didn't ask him. I told him. He was like, "Oh, my friends were sleeping, so I was just wandering around." And then I was like, "Oh, you should have called me, na then." And then he was like, "Huh." Oh my, this guy, na. Yesterday he was so drunk, could smell, and he was trying to talk to me. He was really drunk and trying to talk to me. So, what was I saying? That guy. I didn't ask. He said only ki. I said ki you should have called me then. He was like, no, you were alone. Like you came on a solo trip, na. So I didn't want to interrupt or something. My God, I should. These impulses are out of control. I just do shit. I don't think. I think I should record with the mic, earphones, because audio will be better, right? Look at the view. I got the pancakes. Cake, not. I'm so hungry. Since nobody's there to talk, I'll talk to you guys. My sister didn't know I was on a trip, okay? She called me and then we were talking. She was asking, where are you? I was like, I'm taking a walk outside my room. So then I eventually told her, what is this? I eventually told her that, yeah, I'm on a trip and I'm alone. Don't tell mom I'm alone. Because yesterday night, it was my first night and I was really scared. She was only acting like my mom. I told her ki if I call at night, just pick up. I mean, Manasa knew everything, but then the thing is that she might not pick the call at night because maybe her phone will be on silent or she'll sleep or whatever. Then somebody is watching me talking to myself. Fuck that. I'm thinking how many people are gonna watch this? Is it just gonna be 2 people? I feel like sleeping now. What should I do? And I don't feel like sitting here also. There are too many people. If I was gonna read, I'm a slow reader. I take my own time, 2 pages a day. But when I'm actually into the storyline, I'll finish it quickly. So I came back to the room and I was just sitting and I was looking for places to go next, and there's this place, Blackwater something. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go there. Wanted to go to a waterfall but then I don't think I'll be able to come back before it's before dark. It's far. I'll just charge my phone and then we'll leave.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, look at the sunset. I slept. कहीं नहीं गई मैं आज. स्कूटी में पेट्रोल इतना भरवा लिया मैंने. And then थोड़ा मैंने सोचा आप लोगों को दिखा दूँ अच्छे से. अब फ़ोटोज़ मेरी कौन खींचेगा अगर मैं रेडी भी हो गई. Can't stop looking at it. I don't know about you guys. Just picking shells. But ऐसा है कि I like them all. सब तो नहीं ले सकती. It's hard to pick. My favorite is this. ये camera इधर. Can you see? Yeah. Maybe I'll find a new favorite. क्या मेरे को फोटोज चाहिए.
1 hour later.
Hi. So it's 7:30 right now. I saw whatever was left of the sunset क्योंकि मैं उठी थी 6 बजे. While I was watching the waves na, I was thinking, and then I looked at the sky and I saw one star. I think it's Venus or whatever. I don't know, some people say it's Venus, some people say it's something else. I don't know. So I was looking at it and it was looking pretty. ठीक है, अंधेरा सा होने लग रहा था. As soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, let me take a picture. And I just had a thought कि whenever we see something pretty, right, the first thought that we get is कि oh, let me click a picture. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि अच्छा, let me see it first, let me first soak it in, right? And as soon as I thought that, I didn't take out my phone. I just stared at the star. I was looking at the sky. It's really it's peaceful. Somebody who doesn't like peace and somebody who is, wants that chit chat and wants that. And it's not a bad thing also. I'm not saying it like I'm some guru and I'm संन्यास ले लिया है मैंने, अकेले रहना है अब, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But yeah, there are people who like parties and वो शोर शराबा उनको पसंद है, हलचल जो होती है in the city. I don't think I've ever liked that. When I first came to Bangalore, I went to some parties and clubs and everything, and after second, third year I'm like, yeah, it's just not my scene. I don't fuck with that. This is more my scene. जितना तुम पैसा वहाँ parties में लगा रहे हो, I would much rather spend it on a trip, spend it to see a sunset in some other city. You know what I mean? I could talk on and on and on and on. Let's see how the vlog turns out. I don't know how to vlog, by the way. Yeah, I just thought I'll make a few videos about my solo trip on the solo trip, है ना? I don't know what vlogging is. I think this is vlogging. I don't know. There was one more thing that I was thinking. दिन में I went ना for a swim in the lake. बोल रही हूँ, lake क्यों बोल रही हूँ? In the ocean. So I was thinking that like a thought popped up in my head. कि people are like waves. They come and they go. Some of them are soft, some of them are wavy, some of them are, make you feel good. And then some of them thrash you down bad. You are like, for 2 seconds you are like trying to come up the water. There was one wave that hit me and I just पलट गई मैं पानी में पूरा. If I start documenting my thoughts, it is the end. I guess that's what I'm doing. Right. Okay, let us eat. मैं तो इसी से खा लूँगी. सेपरेट प्लेट देते हैं ना. Why? इतना ना मेरी आदत नहीं है. मतलब है ना तमीज़ से और ये और वो. मैं आप कह सकते हो कि मैं जंगल से आई हूँ. जंगली लड़की. I am not able to finish this. I'm gonna sit here till these guys are like चलो बंद हो रहा है अब निकलो. Actually that's what. अकेले आए ना किसी से नहीं पूछना अच्छा इधर. Just make up your mind and go. मन नहीं है मेरा नहीं जाऊँगी. मेरा मन है जाऊँगी. Even if it's a wrong decision, I will make it. Nah, I'm kidding. Am I? I was thinking, what the fuck was I thinking? There was something I wanted to tell you guys. Social media is not real. It's like whatever you see, it's not fucking real. And it's also fun. Like मेरी मर्जी मैं जो भी डालूँ जब डालूँ when, how, where. I'm sitting in Gokarna and I'm posting my birthday videos and nobody knows I'm here. And after I go to Bangalore, I'll be posting Gokarna videos and nobody will know. It's like I don't know if you guys got it, but then it's my choice, you know. If I can eat alone, if I can travel alone, if I can eat alone in a restaurant and not feel awkward about it, I believe I can do any shit in the world. There is nothing that I cannot do. Absolutely nothing. Aram se I'm going to be posting the stories, reels and everything. And I'm just thinking, peace.
Meanwhile,
There is a lizard on my door. Like जहाँ कुंडी लगाई उसके ऊपर ताला है वो कुंडी के पास ही है. How am I gonna sleep tonight? Mummy, I am terrified of lizards and I might cry. Okay, other than the lizard part, I think this is the end of day 2. So, good night. Let me deal with the lizard. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna deal with it. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
a few inches later.
I know I said bye and everything, but then I just wanted to say that I'm sad because it's the second and last night of my solo trip. Tomorrow night I'll be in the bus, savoring the moment. Don't forget to do that. Don't forget to stop and just savor the moment. Now bye.
Tomorrow.
Just imagine the moment it's stuck. You look this side, there's no fucking buddy and you can hear the silence. I showed you guys the place, right? And you're not even in your own city.